Alright guys, now I'm going to talk about how to find good titles and tags for your videos. And there's a couple different ways to do this, so we have our video uploading right here. If we go over here to a new tab and we just start searching things. So for example, our video is about YouTuber conspiracy theories, so if we just start searching YouTuber and then conspiracy, we can see the word theories is very searched for, so we're going to want to definitely put that in the title, that string of words. But this goes for absolutely anything, so let's say if we're making a video like how to make money on YouTube, we can just search how to make money, and as you can see on YouTube is right down there, and online is another really big one. So you'll want to make videos, like let's say if you're making a channel about how to make money, make videos on each of these different things, and these are all really good title and tags ideas. So that's one way to find different tags and titles to use for your videos. Now another way to find tags is using a plugin called TubeBuddy. I'll leave a link where you can add that to Chrome. So once you have TubeBuddy installed on Chrome, you can just search all your possible tags within YouTube and then hit this little button on the side that says Search Explorer. And as you can see, it'll show you the amount of competition a tag has and the search volume. So as you can see, there's a really big search volume, but there is also a really big competition for this particular tag. So we can search for variables of this. So if we search FouseyTube conspiracy theory, as you can see, now it says good, because there's hardly any competition for it. So you're going to want to keep doing this until you find tags that say very good, and you'll want to incorporate this into your titles as well. Alright guys, so here's an example of a very good tag. So this is kind of within my niche, like how to make money on YouTube and everything. So this tag is how to make money on YouTube without making videos 2018. As you can see, it says very good, because there's a decent amount of search volume and hardly any competition for this tag. So that means that it would be relatively easy to rank for this and start getting views on your videos. So those are some of my top ways to do keyword research and to find the best titles and tags for your videos.